You know, I always love to do black-owned businesses.
I love it.
We're gonna go in here, man, and see what's happening at Ben's Chili Bowl. What's on the menu? What's going on?
Catfish.
Oh. That's an original half smoke right there, y'all. These cats look familiar. They look very familiar. What's going on, family? Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Good evening. We are in Washington, D.C., and the White House is over there, and the memorial's over there. Washington Monument is over there, and we're out here, man. So my plan today is to stop at 2 restaurants or fast food joints, and also I understand that the Afro-Latino Festival is happening today, right? So I have a lot of stops today, man. So we're gonna bring you guys a lot of interesting events and food here in Washington, D.C. Let's get to it. Check it out, we met up with a subscriber right there.
What's going on?
We got
YouTube?
West in the house, y'all.
Straight out
West
North
pulled me up.
Carolina.
I was like, yo, I'm about to go do a review, man. You want to come hang with me today? Big up respect to all our subscribers. And before I even end, man, if nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Check out where we're at, man. Check this out. We here at Ben's Chili Bowl at request of Chad Baird. Chad Baird was requesting that we come here. He was like, yo, you should go to Ben's Chili Bowl. You should go to Ben's Chili Bowl. Also, another request was by Josh from TWT TV and Chad from The Bear Has Landed. Please check out their YouTube channels. We're gonna go in here, man, and see what's happening at Ben's Chili Bowl. All right, y'all, look, it's the truth in here, y'all. We in here, y'all. Look at this, look at this. Wow, that's the owner, y'all, Virginia Ali.
People on the wall that video over here, Anthony Bourdain.
That's my buddy.
Kathy Hughes from Radio 1.
Yeah.
Who's that? Jimmy Kemp. No, that's
Oh, this the owner too, right?
Mark Thompson right there.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Look at this, y'all. Big area in the back. Oh, y'all. It's been suggested that I get the original half smoke. Okay. What is that? Is that? Look, she's like, I didn't tell you can film me. She said it's a hot dog, man. Come on, you know. That's an original half smoke right there, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. Oh, that's a little bit of water coming out. Get a little mustard on there, man. We here at Ben's Chili Bowl, man. Look, y'all saw the food, y'all saw the decor, y'all saw the history that's in this place, man. This is a black-owned business here in Washington, D.C., and I'm about to check it out, right? First thing we're gonna go into are the fries, but I gotta add some catsup. Let's put some ketchup on. Put a little ketchup, that's a little bit, right? A little bit of ketchup on there. Let's see how the fries while they're nice and hot, man. Let's see what's happening. Fries are crispy on the outside. Nice and good and soft on the inside, man. Those fries are delicious. I like that. I like my fries when they're hot too, and they're very hot and tasty. Something like it hot. Watch your mouth, watch your mouth. It's good. These fries are really good. Some fries aren't good. You know? You know when you're doing them French fries from McDonald's and you let them get cold? And you be like, why did I even buy these? These aren't those fries. I'm going to dip straight into it, y'all. I'm going into the original half smoke, man. Look at that. I don't know why they call it half smoke. Maybe because it's halfway smoked, right? Why they call them half smoked? These are good questions, right? Okay, never. You gotta find out for me. Why they call these half smoked? They look delicious. I'm gonna come from this side, man. Y'all know New Jersey is known for its hot dogs, so they gotta come correct. First, I'm gonna lick this little piece of chili off my finger. Ooh. That had a little spice to it. Yours got spice?
No, I think mine is a half smoked. It's not a hot dog. It's like more of a smoked sausage.
It's a sausage.
Yeah, that's what
It look like a hot dog though, right?
Yeah, but I got the taste of the sausage.
Let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right. Once again, I'm licking my fingers. Shout out to the bear that's landed, and shout out to Josh from TWT TV. They suggested that I come to this spot. I am tasting some spiciness. What's that? The sausage? Is this, somebody gotta tell me. I keep looking around y'all.
I understand now. Yeah.
You taste it? Yeah.
I thought it was salt, but it is spicy.
Is it spicy? Is it sausage or a hot dog gonna have half smoke?
The hot dog.
It's a hot dog, right?
Which one?
The half smoke.
Half smoked sausage or beef and pork?
Is it what?
Sausage.
It's sausage. Is it pork?
Beef and pork.
It's beef and
Oh, I didn't
pork.
know that.
Half.
Sausage or beef and pork.
What do I taste that's spicy? The chili?
The chili is half.
The chi-
Oh,
It's not
beef and
hot,
pork.
hot.
I didn't know
A
that.
little spicy, y'all.
I'm sorry, babe.
They call them a half smoke because the hot dog is half beef, half pork. Y'all know I love beef, I love pork.
Okay.
My sister over here vegan, right? I used to be vegan, y'all, but y'all know that whole story. If you don't, you're gonna have to go back to my videos and find out.
I ain't vegan. Brother West is eating.
I really enjoy being vegan, though. I really enjoyed it.
But the chili is beef.
The chili is beef.
Yeah.
All right.
The smoke and the hot dog sauce, sausage or beef.
Nice, nice. This is really delicious. Thank you very much.
I'm sorry I told you that, but you like beef and pork, so it's all right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You got the original hot dog.
There's
Right?
no problem. I got the half smoke.
You got the half
The
smoke?
original. I didn't get spicy.
Okay, you got the.
No, look at the half
You got the
smoke.
spicy one?
Did you get spicy? Matt, I'm glad you brought me.
I didn't order spicy, but I taste that hint
Okay.
of spiciness, which is delicious. I don't like my stuff too spicy, where I'm losing the taste of the food, you know? I got my seltzer water, y'all. My agua con gas.
Jesse Jr. The one
Order number 37.
See how they cut the fries, y'all? Some of the skin is still on them. They're absolutely delicious. I like that.
They cut
See
the
that?
fries?
The way the skin is still on it. See the skin? Yeah, sure.
Yeah, they fresh.
Help yourself. You don't want to get on camera.
Can I try one?
Yeah, man, just one. No, y'all have as much as y'all want.
just one.
I'm just teasing.
Yeah, these are fresh.
Y'all can have as much as y'all want.
These are fresh cut.
I know, right? Fresh cut potatoes, y'all. I'm starting to like Washington, D.C., man. We definitely gonna have to hit up that cobbler spot. And then there's a
Oh, he don't live here.
there's a wing. I'm from New Jersey.
I'm from North Carolina. Yeah, we met.
Yeah.
Y'all just met?
I'm a subscriber. Hi, family.
He was coming up the elevator.
Escalator, yeah. I was
The
going
escalator.
down, he was going up. I was like, I know you.
He said, I know you're my TV. He was like, I'm coming up. So I was trying to run from him. No, I wasn't. I was honored that somebody knew me. But
Oh, wow.
look, y'all, hold up. Wes want to say hi, y'all. We gotta get him on camera.
Hi, family.
Tell us about it. What's going on?
Anyway, I'm here. I'm loving it. I'm just honored to be with Matt. I've been a follower, subscriber, and yeah, this is amazing, man. And the history in this place, the history, man, is everybody's been here from Elvis to Obama. I mean, and,
Wow, that's
and
history.
everybody in between. So yeah, if you come to DC, I highly recommend. And I'm just honored to be here. Thank you. And our hostess, who don't want to be on camera, she's been a great history historian of this establishing.
She don't want to be on camera, y'all, but she's been absolutely beautiful, and I am grateful that she was able to show us around and just show us what's down in the alleyway and the different artwork that's showing there. And it's just always lovely, man, to just see how rich and beautiful Black history is, you know. So big up to her, off-camera lady. Do you want to say your name? What's your name?
Miss Kitty, K-I-T-T-Y.
That's Miss Kitty, y'all. That sounds like one of the names you don't be messing with, Miss Kitty, yo.
Last name Cheney, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Not Miss Kitty from Gunsmoke.
I know. What you know about Gunsmoke? She said yes, Miss Kitty from
I got a
Gunsmoke.
12 gauge Beretta. Watch out.
I know that's right.
But it's only for recreational shooting. It's not.
She said she has a 12 gauge Beretta, right? So don't come
for
incorrect.
recreational shooting. That's it.
It's for recreational shooting only.
Look, my name is West. Yes, ma'am.
And tell
Good job.
them her late father's name was Dick Cheney.
Her late father's name is Dick Cheney.
That's a whole nother story.
Definitely a good stop. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love all of you cats all around the world. Big up respect. We're here, man, once again. Right there, there's the web address. Right? You got benschilibowl.com. On to the next one. Peace.
Peace.
Oh, and they were saying how the steady flow of customers is coming through, you know, like multicultural customers that's coming in and out of this spot has been amazing. And y'all already know, some of y'all already know the name. I'm gonna be honest, I hadn't heard of it until our subscribers mentioned it. So once again, man, I love you cats, man. And I'm done. I'm gonna finish eating these french fries while they still hot. 15, subtotal was $15.49. Yo, this is mad fellowship outside, man. There's people out here. I didn't know about this spot. I know Chad Barrett is like I told him to check it out. And everyone's loving the artwork that's all out back, man. We got Prince. Brother West telling me about the radio station, y'all. He give me a little history.
University, the home of the Quiet Storm.
Home of the Quiet Storm, Howard University in Washington, D.C. Look, she said hello. Yes, indeed.
Wow.
A lot of history. Uh-oh, who is that?
That's my brother Winston Cheney.
That's your brother?
He's on Sunday morning gospel at Howard.
Oh, wow.
He used to be on the radio one for 30 years.
No, I see Dave Chappelle. I see Dick Gregory.
Oh, that's right, Dave Chappelle.
Oh my God.
Oh, wait a minute. Jesse Jackson from D.C.?
Oh, no, he's not from D.C.
Okay.
What's going on, man?
Dave Chappelle, I know he lived here.
West, man.
I think he was back and forth here in New York. You got the comedian,
That's,
Dick Gregory.
He passed away.
Yeah, Dick Gregory was the truth. This is crazy, right? Washington, D.C. We here, man. At Ben's.
I'll take a picture too of y'all. All right now.
Miss Kitty giving us a ride, y'all. She has been such a blessing to us. She said I ain't been on camera too much, but she's really been here, man, and she has made the experience 10 to the 10th power. We've learning so much about just this little small, I'm not even gonna say a block, just this little few feet of Washington, D.C. Howard University is not too far from here, man. But
What is the historic about
this is so cool. This is so cool right here. I'm down with the get down.
You want to see Howard for me?
I'm down. Now she said y'all want to see Howard. Yeah, man. We getting a tour.
Historic about it, right?